Hi there. In this episode, we'll start with a short story, then break down some useful phrases, and finish with a quick speaking practice. Let's begin.
Your kitchen smells like garlic and tomatoes. What are you making?
Spaghetti with tomato basil sauce, and a quick side salad, just lettuce, cherry, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
That sounds like a real dinner. Usually I just eat instant noodles and call it a night.
No judgment, but tonight you're upgrading from noodles to spaghetti.
Deal. What can I help with?
You can rinse the romaine lettuce and slice the cucumbers. We'll dress it later with olive oil and lemon juice.
Olive oil and lemon? No fancy bottled dressing?
Nope, simple as best. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper, and that's all you need.
I feel healthier just listening to that.
Now, for the sauce, onions, garlic, crushed tomatoes, and a little sugar. We'll season it with oregano and dried basil.
Wait, sugar in tomato sauce?
Just a tiny bit. It balances the acidity of the tomatoes. Trust me.
Okay, chef, I trust you. Do I stir this?
Yes, gently. Clockwise or counterclockwise. Your choice.
I'm ambidextrous when I panic.
While you stir, I'll boil the spaghetti. We always salt the water, like the sea.
Why does your pot of water already look more professional than mine?
Because I pretend it's a cooking show and talk to myself while stirring.
I do that too, but usually while microwaving frozen dumplings.
You're officially being upgraded. We're even toasting some garlic bread tonight.
Oh wow, garlic bread, now it's a party.
Exactly. Dinner should feel special even on a Tuesday.
Honestly, I'm having so much fun right now. Like real, not fake adulting fun.
You're learning, laughing, and making food from scratch. What's not to love?
Next time I'll bring dessert.
Hi, I'm Claire. Let's take a moment to review today's key phrases. These are short and simple expressions you can use in real life at home, at school, or even before a job interview. Listen carefully and try saying them out loud with me. Ready? Let's begin. Smells like. We use smells like to describe what something smells like. It's great for food, air, or anything with a strong scent. For example, it smells like garlic and onions in here. It smells like garlic and onions in here. This soup smells like my grandma's kitchen. This soup smells like my grandma's kitchen. The air smells like rain. The air smells like rain. Rinse the lettuce. To rinse means to wash with water. We often rinse fruits and vegetables before cooking. For example, please rinse the lettuce before we make the salad. Please rinse the lettuce before we make the salad. I always rinse strawberries before eating them. I always rinse strawberries before eating them. Don't forget to rinse the rice. Don't forget to rinse the rice. A pinch of salt. A pinch means a small amount. just what you can grab with 2 fingers. We say it often when cooking. For example, just a pinch of salt will balance the flavor. Just a pinch of salt will balance the flavor. Add a pinch of cinnamon to the oatmeal. Add a pinch of cinnamon to the oatmeal. I like my eggs with a pinch of pepper. I like my eggs with a pinch of pepper. Stir gently. Stir gently means mix slowly and softly. Use this when cooking sauces or soups. For example, stir gently so the sauce doesn't splash. Stir gently so the sauce doesn't splash. Stir the soup gently until it thickens. Stir the soup gently until it thickens. She stirred the coffee gently with a spoon. She stirred the coffee gently with a spoon. Just a tiny bit. We say just a tiny bit when we mean a very small amount of something, like sugar, salt, or lemon. For example, can you add just a tiny bit of sugar? Can you add just a tiny bit of sugar? Just a tiny bit of lemon juice makes a big difference. Just a tiny bit of lemon juice makes a big difference. I'm not that hungry, just a tiny bit, thanks. I'm not that hungry, just a tiny bit, thanks. Great job! Keep practicing these phrases and try using them in your everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you'd like to learn.